Welcome to our next video. This video is gonna talk about how to create a lookalike audience. So you're gonna access this area by click on a burger menu, going all tools, audiences, and then it's gonna drop you here. So before I jump into creating this audience, lookalike audience, just remember from our targeting intro, that the lookalike audience belongs to a cold audience, and the lookalike audience is made up from all the people who have visited your website or interacted with your page or clicked on your ad. It can be any of those things. So in order to create a lookalike audience, you need to have an audience already in place. So let's just go through the steps of creating a lookalike audience. So you're going to click on create audience. You're going to click on lookalike audience. And once you click on choose a custom audience or a page, for example, let's say that here we want to target all those who visited our page. Let's say no biggie consultant, right? And we want to target only people in North America, in United States. We don't want to do regions. And here's the thing, that the lowest audience that you can target is 2.1 million. So the lookalike audience in this case is they say includes 1% audience, and estimated reach is 2 million. So basically what Facebook is going to do, depending on your budget and your targeting, in this case of lookalike audience, it will use that to show your ad, to optimize your ad based on this. You can also have multiple options here, right, where you can create multiple audiences up to 6, where it gives you for example, where it gives you uh, ranges of the number of people in certain audience that you can target. Really important thing about this is to understand that if you hover over this, for example, it will show you that this audience includes 2% audience, but it excludes 1%. So anyone who is here will be excluded from here. Anyone who is here will be excluded from here, and so on and so forth. It makes sense, right? Once you're done with that, then you're going to click create audience, and then you can use that audience to target your people. To target that particular audience in a hope that it will generate more traffic and get you more sales and get you more leads. So just know that in order to target any country, you have to have at least 100 people in your seed audience. The seed audience is here. And you can read here, it says that it could be a customer list, custom audience, pixel, or people who like your page. So this is another reason why you want to have the page, why you want to get people to interact with the page, and why it's important to do that, because then it gives you ability to expand your targeting. It gives you ability to attract even more people, and just take it from there. So that's how you do it, and I will see you in the next video.